Take down your maths classwork note and turn the new page and write the today's date 23/10/20. Friday, Friday. Friday, today's day Friday, Friday. And this month October, OCTOBER. OCTOBER. And put the mental sum heading, first row letter mental sum heading, and put the number 1 to 5. After that draw the line. Okay. First mental sum. The dash surfaces of a cuboid are identical. The dash surfaces of a cuboid are identical. And the second one, what is the shape of the postcard? What is the shape of a postcard? And the third one, 7,200 minus 1,000. 7,200 minus 1,000. And the fourth sum, 8,000 plus 1,000. 8,000 plus 1,000. And fifth sum, how many hundreds are there in 7,829? How many hundreds are there in 7,829? Have you all finished? All of you check out the mental sum answers. The first one, the dash surfaces of a cuboid are identical. So that is the answer is opposite sides. Opposite surfaces of a cuboids are identical. Okay. The second one, what is the shape of the postcard? What is the shape of the postcard? Rectangle, isn't it? Rectangle. RECTANGLE. So rectangle. And the third one. And 7,200 minus 1,000. So answer is 6,200. And the fourth one, 8,000 plus 1,000. 1,000 means, so 9,000. And the fifth sum, how many hundreds are there in 7,000? And you should write in the right side margin 7,829. Immediately you should write the ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So how many hundreds are there in 7,829? So 8 hundreds, and should write the number 8. So how many of them got full mark? Yes, very good students. Next sum, the same subtract but the different heading. Find the difference. Find the difference. Here two numbers are given. So immediately you should write the ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So the question is find the difference. Find the difference. So you should find out here which is the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? And you should find out the first number, that is 1,000 place. Here 4, 2. And here which is greatest number? 4,000. Isn't it? 4,000 is the greatest number. So you should write the greatest number first. And here greatest number is 4,365. And next after that you should write the smallest number. Smallest number, that is 2,659. So, and that you should, the answer is called as difference. Answer is called as difference. Okay, we should find out the difference. How we find out? First of all, put the minus symbol, and here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay. And find where is the greatest number? Below. Below means you have to borrow from the nearest place. So 5 here. First of all, write the before number. After that, you cut the number right before, and you got the number 15. So 15 in the mind, 9 in the finger. 15 before, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So answer 6. Here 5 and below also 5. The same number. When the same number subtraction, the answer is the 0, isn't it? Already we studied. Here, where is the greatest number? Again you check it. Again you find out. Where is the greatest number? Below. Below means you have to find out, borrow from the nearest. So, you have to cut the before number. Cut and write the before number. And here, where you give the number, you should cut and write the before of the given number. So that is you got the number 13. So 13 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 13 before, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So answer 7. So here where is the greatest number? Above. Above means you have to subtract directly. So 3 minus 2, 1. So the difference is the answer. The difference is answer. So listen again, I'll tell, listen carefully. Some of them, sometimes, they given two numbers. They didn't give any minus symbol. Any symbol. Okay, that is minus symbol or any plus symbol. So they give some two numbers only. And the sum is find the difference. Find the difference means you have to find out which is the greatest number. Which is the here two numbers, which is the greatest number. You should write the greatest number above and smallest number below. After that you subtract. Difference means you subtract. How you subtract? Greatest number above, smallest number below. And after that you should subtract. So the answer is the difference. So here the answer is difference. Okay. Here listen, all of you see this sum. This is difference. And here greatest number and smallest number is given the dash. Given the form of dash and the answer is difference, isn't it? So you have to find out the answer. That is the smallest number. So you should write the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? 804. Ones, tens, hundreds. And next one, here difference. Equal to 431. You have to, in the first, when you starting first only, you have to draw drawing form. Okay. Then you find out the answer, smallest number, isn't it? Smallest number. So put the minus symbol, 4 minus 1. When you subtract with 1, the answer will be the before number. That is the predecessor. So 4 before 3. And here, which is greatest number? 3 is the greatest number. That is below is the greatest number. You have to borrow from the nearest number. So you cut and write the before number. And here you cut and write 1 in the before given number. So you got the number 10. So 10 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 10 before, 9, 8, 7. So answer 7. Here where is the greatest number? Above. Above means you have to subtract directly. So 7 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 7 before, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay. Students, all of you again see this sum. This is also different sum. Okay. Subtract 3905 from the sum of 2499 and 4601. Here, 3 numbers are there. What are the words are there? First of all, subtract, isn't it? Subtract and also sum of. What is the meaning of sum of? Yes, this is the keywords of addition, isn't it? So, sum of means addition. And next one is subtract. Here in this sum, 2 sums are there. That is addition and also subtraction. In the addition, when this given sum, addition and also subtraction having means you should first of all do the addition sum first of all. Okay, and here which is the sum of means 2499 and 4601. The sum of means you have to add these 2 sums. 2 numbers. Okay. First of all, which are the numbers? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. first number is 2499, 4601. Why you count these two numbers? Because here they given the sum of these two numbers. That means you should add first of all two numbers. When the sum given, they given the two sums, that is addition sum and also subtraction. You have to do first of all addition sum. Add the sum. Okay, that is add the two sums. That two numbers. So 9 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 9 after 10. So 10 here you should write and cut the 0 and put the 1, remaining 1 is in the next place. And 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 0, 0. Again 10 here, cut and write, 1 is circle and circle number is the before next place. And 1 plus 4, 5. So 5 plus 6, 11. So 11 cut, 1 cut and circled 1 is go the next place. That is 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. You got the number when you addition. When you add and got the number 3. So this is the addition answer, isn't it? Thereafter from given you find out what you found the answer. Addition answer. From that answer you should subtract the next number. So here 7, 1 ones, 10s, 100s, 1000. Again you put the box. And the first what you found the addition numbers, that is the 7100, and already they give a number. Subtract 3009. Subtract 3009. Here you should write the number and subtract. Okay, minus. Here 0 and 5. Where is the greatest number? Below. Below means you have to borrow from the nearest place. And cut the 0. Here no number. So you have to again borrow from the nearest place. Here 0. Here 10. Again you cut the number 9. And here 10. So 10 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 10 before, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And here 9 minus 0, when you subtract with 0, the answer will be the same number. So here 9, 0 and 9. Here below is the greatest number. You have to borrow from the nearest place. That is, you should write the before number. And here you should write the before number in front of the given number. Okay, then you got the number 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Isn't it? And 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 6 before, 5, 4, 3. So answer 3. 3195. This is the sum of this answer. This is the sum of this answer. Here again listen. Subtract 3905 from the sum of 2499 and 4601. Here in this one sum, they have the two sums. That is sum of and also subtract. Sum of means addition and subtraction. So here when the sum given, the sum two sums are there, means you have to immediately first of all do the sum of. Then that is first addition செஞ்சு முடிச்சிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் subtraction போணும். So எப்பவுமே sum of னு கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா அதுல sum of னா addition. sum of செஞ்சு முடிச்சிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் அதுல கிடைக்கிற ஆன்சரை வச்சு தான் நீ subtract பண்ணணும். Okay. So, and you have to sum of. First of all, do the sum of the two numbers. That is, add the two numbers. And what you found the answer, that answer. From that answer, you should subtract the next given number. Okay. So, the answer, at last, the answer will be found. Okay. Students, all of you, take out your maths note. And put the second Roman letter, find the missing numbers. And here there are two numbers are then here, and one missing number is there. That is the second smallest number. Okay, and you should write immediately. You should write the place, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. And the first one is the greatest number, and the second one is the smallest number, and third one is the difference, isn't it? Now you have to find out the smallest number, means you should find out the subtract from the greatest number to small difference. Okay, that is, you should write the greatest number, greater and difference. And greater number is 705, and the difference means 451. So the way start from the subtract from the ones. For 5 minus 1, when you subtract with the 1, the answer will be the before number. And 0 and 5, small greatest number is below. Below means you have to subtract from the nearest place, that is write the immediately you should write the before number, and here you cut and write the 1 before the given number. So now you got the number 10. 10 in the mind, 5 in the finger, 10 before, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So answer 5. And here 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 6 before, 5, 4, 3, 2. So answer here, that is the answer is smallest number, isn't it? Here the answer is smaller. So the answer is 705 minus 254 equal to 451. So this is the answer. And the second sum, subtract 9,000 from the sum of 3,599 and 2,615. And here subtract and sum of. You should subtract from the sum of. From the sum of means, first of all you have to add. Sum of means add. You should add the two numbers. So what are the numbers? 3,599 and 2,615. So here plus, first of all add. 9 in the mind, 5 in the finger, 9 after, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Cut the 4 here and circle the 1 and write the before after place. That is the remaining number. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So cut the 1 here and write the circle number right in the next place. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Isn't it? 2. Circle the number in the next place. So 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 4 after, 5, 6. So 6. So the answer, the sum of answer is 6,214. So next we have to subtract from the 9,000. Subtract from the 9,000. And next you should write the subtract from. From means 9,000. 9,000. And next, what you got the number, got the answer, the sum of. That is 6,214. So that is the subtraction means minus. And 0. 0 from 4 you have to subtract from the nearest place. And their place also 0. And subtract from the hundreds place. Their place also there is no number. That is 0. And you should subtract from the 1,000. That is 8. Before number 8. And here you got the number 10. Again you give the number here. You write the number before number 9. Here you got the number 10. So again you give here. you cut and write the 9. And here you cut and write the 10. Have you understood? Again, here 3 zeros are there. Here you borrow from the nearest place. There is no number. And again you borrow from the nearest place. That's also no number. And you should borrow from the 1000 place. The 1000 place, immediately you should write the before number. Here one number is given, means 0, 10. 0 becomes 10. So when he got the 10, now he give the next one number. So that is 100s to 10s. So here now again you write the 9 before number. Here he got the 10. Again you cut and write the before number, because he in the 10 gives the one number to ones. So that is 1. So here he got the number 10. So 10 in the mind, 4 in the finger. This is minus sum. So if you should count the before counting, backward counting. That is 10 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 10 before, 9, 8, 7, 6. So 6. So 9 minus 1, 8 before number. And 9 minus 2, 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 9 before, 7, 8, 7. And 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger, 8 before, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So the answer is 2786. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay. Thank you. Students, all of you take down your maths book and turn the page number 44. And here two numbers are there. There is a two sums are there. Here again, which is the, you find out which is the greatest number, you should write in the above, and below you should write the smallest number, and find out the difference, means put the minus symbol and subtract. Okay, and the same sum. Okay, here also the same method. Okay, and here the smallest number is missing, and you should find out write the number, greater number and difference, and find out the smallest number. And here greatest number is missing, and also again you should write the greatest number above and smallest number below, and get the, you should here, and the difference, and difference is in the above and smallest number below. Here you should find out plus, because we should find out the greatest number. We should find out the greatest number, means you should add this small difference and also smallest number. You should add the difference and also smallest number. When the question is above, that is when the question is find out the greatest number, means you should find out, you should plus the smallest number and difference, and you should write the difference number and also write the smallest number and find out with the sum of plus. You should add this sum and find out the greatest number. Okay, and the next one, they already given the greatest number and missing number is smallest number and difference. In that position, in that sum, you should from the greatest number, difference number with subtract. Okay, you should find out the number from subtract, because we find out the smallest number, and the biggest number means you should find out the with add. Okay, we should find out with add. Okay, and you should turn the next. Here find the sum of 829 and the 6605 and subtract it from the 2000. Okay, and here first of all, always here in this one sum they given the two solving problem, that is sum of. You should underline the sum of and underline the subtract. Okay, sum of, which are the number? Sum of means what? Yes, addition. You should add the sum of two numbers are given the sum of, that is 829 and 605. They already given, and write the sum of means add. Okay, you should add the two numbers. From the given, that is from the found answer, you have to subtract from the already the given number. Subtract from 2000. From the 2000, what you subtract? We already found from the adding, that is the sum of two numbers. That is, you should find out the 2000 above, and what you found the answer, that is below. You should cut and write the subtract. Okay. And here again subtract 3905 from the sum of 2499 and 4500. Sum of only you should write, solve first of all. Okay. Sum of means add. So which are the numbers are add? So 2499 and 4500 you should add first of all. After that you subtract. After that you should find out which is greatest numbers. They given number, we found the number. We found the number. What you got the number. That is the greatest number. You should put the greatest number above and below the smallest number. What is they already given sum. That is the smallest number. So that is you should find out the with the subtract. Okay, and the next sum. Add 4195 to the difference of 2499 and 1615. Add difference. You have to find out the difference. So first of all you have to find out the difference in these numbers. You should find out the difference. Add. So என்ன சொல்லிருக்கு, add பண்ணு, இந்த difference வரதோட add பண்ணு அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? First of all here you should find out the subtraction. You should find out with the subtraction. That is above number is greatest number, below number is smallest number, and find out the difference. Okay, then after that what you got the answer you should add with the already they given the sum. What is the already they given the one number, that is 4196, and we found the answer 884, and here you should add it. Okay, after that you should find out the answer. And here the sum of three numbers is 9458. If two number of these are 2835 and 3764, find the third number. Okay, that is already they given the sum two numbers. That is the one number is here and two number is there, and we find out the third number. The answer is 9. Okay, this is the just small method. Okay, fine. Okay, that is already they given the first number and second number. The answer question is the you should find out the third number. So first of all you add these two numbers, that is 6, and you have to from that 6 you have to minus from the answer, that is the difference. So 9 minus 6, 3. Okay, the missing number is 3. Again you count and okay, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. Okay, this is the method. Likewise you should first number here and second number here. Okay, first of all you add these two numbers. Add these two numbers. After that what you got the answer? You got the answer from the given three difference number. Okay, that is the total numbers. So that is the you should find out the answer at last, that is the third number. Okay, okay, and this all your assignment work. Thank you for watching.